They say that growing old is a privilege, but no one ever tells you how heartbreaking it is when your own eyes betray you. When once bright mornings become shrouded in a constant haze, when every word in your favorite book blurs into shadows, and when the innocent sparkle in your grandchild's eyes slowly fades before your very own. Cataracts do that not suddenly, not loudly, but gradually, quietly, stealing away the precious gift of vision until all that is left is a world dulled by fog and frustration. And yet, millions of seniors have been led to believe that surgery is their only hope, that there's no turning back, no natural way to halt the progression. But what if I told you there's something hiding in plain sight, something small, sweet, and completely natural, that could help rescue your vision from the edge of the abyss? What if I told you this one simple fruit, yes, a fruit, could help clear the cloud, brighten the world, and give your aging eyes a second chance? That miracle fruit is the blueberry, not a pill, not an injection, not some expensive pharmaceutical miracle wrapped in side effects. It's just a tiny, round, deep blue gift from nature that holds more healing power than most people realize. God. It may sound simple, even silly, but for the senior who's watched the world go dim, for the grandparent who misses the sparkle of a grandchild's face, for the mother or father who longs to read bedtime stories without squinting through frustration, blueberries are hope. Real hope. Not just poetic, but proven. Because behind their soft skin lies a storm of healing compounds, anthocyanins, resveratrol, vitamin C, and lutein working together to protect, nourish, and even rejuvenate the tired, stressed lenses of the aging eye. But let's take a step back. Cataracts, for those who don't fully understand them, are not some sudden disease that shows up overnight. They are the end result of years, decades of oxidative damage, sunlight exposure, smoking, poor nutrition, and inflammation silently breaking down the proteins in your eye's lens. These proteins begin to clump, scatter light, and create that dreaded blurry yellow or cloudy vision that steals your independence. Driving becomes scary. Reading becomes frustrating. Even recognizing the smile of a loved one can become difficult. But science is catching up to something ancient cultures understood long ago. That food isn't just fuel. Food is medicine. And in this case, food might just be the only thing powerful enough to protect your eyes before it's too late. And here's where blueberries shine. These tiny berries are packed with anthocyanins, which don't just float around aimlessly in your bloodstream. They are absorbed and transported straight to your retina and lens, where they go to work neutralizing the free radicals that would otherwise damage your vision. These compounds have been shown in repeated studies to reduce inflammation, boost capillary strength, enhance oxygen delivery, and even strengthen the proteins in your eye lens, making them more resistant to the clouding process of cataracts. Think that's too good to be true? Tell that to Janet, a 74-year-old widow from Colorado who hadn't seen her garden in full color in nearly 5 years. She was told by her doctor she had cataracts in both eyes, and that she was nearing the threshold for surgery. But like many seniors, she was scared. Scared of anesthesia, Scared of complications, scared of losing the one thing she had left to enjoy her books. One day, her neighbor mentioned something curious. Eat a cup of blueberries every morning. My brother swears by it. Desperate for even a glimmer of improvement, Janet gave it a try. Fresh when she could afford them. Frozen when she couldn't. She added them to her yogurt, blended them into smoothies, or just ate them plain with a spoon. 2 months later, something strange happened. The colors in her garden started to return. Not reversed entirely, but it stopped progressing. And for Janet, that meant the world. Then there's Luis, an 81-year-old grandfather from Miami who worked outdoors his entire life. After decades of sun exposure, he developed early cataracts and was devastated. He started forgetting where he placed things. Reading menus became difficult. T couldn't even see his grandkids' artwork clearly on the fridge. K started adding blueberries to his breakfast oatmeal, not expecting miracles. But within 90 days, Luis wasn't just seeing better, he was feeling better. More alert, more energetic. His eye doctor noticed a slight reduction in cataract opacity. It wasn't magic. It was nutrition. It was science. It was giving the eyes what they've been craving for years. It's important to understand why this fruit works so powerfully. You see, the anthocyanins in blueberries protect the lens and retina from oxidative stress. But beyond that, blueberries also enhance blood flow to the eyes, especially critical as we age and circulation naturally slows. Improved blood flow means your eyes receive more oxygen, more nutrients, and can flush away waste more efficiently. It's like giving your eyes a deep breath of fresh air every morning. Blueberries are also rich in vitamin C, which is critical for maintaining the transparency of the eye lens. Seniors who consume higher levels of vitamin C have a 33% lower risk of cataract formation, according to the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition. That's not folklore, that's science. Even more astonishing is the presence of resveratrol in blueberries, compound also found in red wine that has been shown to protect the retina from light-induced damage, reduce intraocular pressure, and may even shield against age-related macular degeneration, another vision-stealing condition. Combine this with lutein, which is already used in clinical eye supplements, and you begin to see why this one fruit is being hailed by eye health researchers as a nutritional powerhouse for seniors. And let's not forget the emotional cost of vision loss. It's not just the loss of sight eyes, the loss of connection, the loss of independence, the quiet, creeping fear that you are becoming a burden, that you can't keep up, that the world is moving past you in a blur. I have seen this fear in my own family. My uncle, after losing half of his sight to cataracts, stopped playing chess, stopped walking to the park, stopped laughing the same way. His world shrank, till we began rebuilding it with food, with nutrition, with blueberries, spinach, walnuts, omega-3 South. It was not overnight, but slowly, clarity returned, and so did his smile. Okay, so Let me ask you now, what is your vision worth? Is it worth a small daily change? Is it worth swapping the sugary cereal for something that feeds your eyes instead of fighting them? Right? Is it worth opening your fridge, reaching for that bowl of blueberries, and saying, "Today, I take a step toward clearer vision," because every step matters. Every small habit, repeated over time, creates results. But your eyes didn't become damaged in a day, and they won't heal in a day either. But with consistency, patience, and faith in nature, you can make real progress. The best part, blueberries are easy to enjoy. Add them to salads, stir them into oatmeal. Blend them with spinach and banana for a senior-friendly eye health smoothie. If you're on a fixed income, buy them frozen blueberries still retain over 95% of their antioxidant power. And if fresh blueberries are in season, stock up. They freeze beautifully. Make them part of your daily ritual because your eyes deserve it. Let me be very clear. No food, not even blueberries, is a magic bullet. But when combined with other healthy choices, like staying hydrated, wearing UV protective sunglasses, quitting smoking, and controlling your blood sugar, this fruit becomes part of a powerful vision-saving strategy. Think of it as armor for your eyes. Not expensive, not complicated. Just a few bites each day that say, "I care about my future." So if you reliving with cataracts or fear that your vision is slipping at time to act. Not with fear, but with courage. Not with despair, but with hope. Add blueberries to your life. Share this message with your loved ones. Talk to your doctor. Reclaim the light, because you are not too old. It is not too late. You are not out of options. You still have so much to see. And if you ever doubt the power of small things, remember this. A tiny blueberry, grown in silence, may just be what helps you see the sunrise again with clarity. You deserve that. After everything you've been through after the years, the sacrifices, the battles, you deserve a life where you can see every color, every smile, every blessing, clearly and brightly. Start today. One berry, one morning. Clearer tomorrow.